What's up, cadets? Let me ask you a question. What do you think? How long will it take for a people on board to form their first impression of you? Is it a month? A week? The truth is, it often starts within the first 24 hours. In fact, your reputation often begins even before you step on board. I've seen some people on board asking each other, "Have you worked with these incoming officers before?" Sometimes they already look at your photos in your passport. And some of them are already checking who you are by looking at the profile on your social media. Sometimes they already heard stories about you from the person you worked with who was already on board. Whether those first impressions are accurate or not, people are naturally curious about who's coming on board and joining their team. By the time you walk up in the gangway, many people had already formed their first impression of you. Before you even completed your familiarizations, before you even started your first watch, and before you even proved to them your technical skills, people are already started observing you. They notice how you introduce yourself, how you communicate, how you carry yourself, and how eager you are to learn. Your reputation starts long before your first performance evaluation. Today, let's talk about why your first day on board matters more than most young officers realize. When you join a vessel, everyone becomes an observer. The master, the chief engineer, the chief officer, the bosun, the AB, and even the messman. They're not judging because they wanted to criticize you. They are simply trying to understand what kind of person just joined our team. Remember, your certificates will tell them you're qualified, but your behavior will tell them who you are. During your first few days on board, nobody expects you to know everything. In fact, the senior officers understand that you are still learning. What disappoints them isn't lack of knowledge. It is lack of humility. There's a big difference between saying, "I don't know," and "I already know that." One shows honesty, while the others can show overconfidence. People are willing to teach someone who is willing to learn. Many cadets believe that they need to impress others with their knowledge. Actually, the small habits often leave a strongest impression, such as arrive few minutes early, carry a notebook, write down an instructions, listen more than you speak. Observe how the crew works before offering an opinion. Professionalism is often demonstrated by consistency, not by intelligence. Ships are small community. News travels fast. If you're hardworking, people notice. If you're respectful, people notice. If you're dependable, people notice. Unfortunately, the same is true with the opposite. One careless attitude becomes the story the people keep on talking about. During mealtime, during coffee breaks, the conversations naturally revolve on what's happening on board. And sometimes, the newest crew members become their favorite topic. Whether those conversations are positive or negative often depends on the reputations you built on your very first day. That's why reputation is built through repeated daily behavior. One mistake I observed over the years is this. Some of the new crew members arrive on board spend more time on explaining how they did or what they did on their previous vessel than trying to learn how things are done on the current one. I remember sailing with a second officer whose previous vessel name is Santa Catalina. In every conversations, he started like this: "In Santa Catalina we do this, in Santa Catalina we do that." At first, everyone smiled. But after a while, everyone stopped calling him his rank or his name, and they call it Santa Catalina. During meals, someone would joke, "Is Santa Catalina have eaten yet?" Or "Where is Santa Catalina?" They're not making fun of the ship's name or the previous ship. They're reacting to the fact that he keep on comparing everything instead of understanding on how the current ship is operated. Every ship has its own culture and every master has its own expectations. Your first responsibility is not to change the system. It is to understand it. But here's some good news. If your repetition on your first day wasn't perfect, don't lose hope. Repetition isn't built in one day. It's strengthened or weakened by what you consistently do afterward. Every day is an opportunity to earn trust. The key is consistency. As a master today, I think back of my own first day on board. I remember being nervous, I remember making mistakes, I remember wanting someone to guide me. Those experiences shaped the leader I wanted to become. That's the reason I advocate for modern maritime leadership. Because leadership isn't only about evaluating new crew members. It is also about helping them to grow. Today's cadet may become tomorrow's captain. How we will treat them during their first few days on board may influence on how they will lead when they will become captains. If you're joining to a vessel soon, remember this. People won't expect you to know everything, but they will always expect you to demonstrate professionalism. Be humble, be curious, be respectful, and be willing to learn because your reputation doesn't begin with your rank. It is always begin with your attitude. And attitude is something that a seafarer can choose from the very first day on board. One day, you'll become a senior officer welcoming someone new on board. And when that day comes, remember how you wanted to be treated during your first days on board. And that's the heart of modern maritime leadership. It's not just about building competent officers. It is about building a leaders who inspire confidence from the moment they step on board. Because success isn't only determined by your technical knowledge. It is also determined by your attitude, professionalism, and your reputations you built on your very first day on board. In fact, that's one of the lessons I shared in my book, The Cadet Survival Guide. The link is in my bio. I wanted to share the lessons I wish someone had taught me when I first stepped on board. Because success isn't determined only by your technical knowledge. It is also determined by your attitude, professionalism, and your reputations you built on your first day on board. My name is Captain John Michael Masuela. Fair winds, safe seas, and see you at sea.